Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Thursday, April 12th. Well, yesterday was quite a chilly day in the Mid-Atlantic region. Pop-up afternoon showers developed, and just to the north and west of the big cities, some of those showers actually had snowflakes and ice pellets mixed in. In fact, just north and west of the district, there were reports of snowflakes and ice pellets mixing in with the showers later on in the afternoon with the cloudy skies and brisk and chilly conditions. Well, today will be somewhat similar in that we'll have continued brisk and chilly conditions with temperatures for the most part holding in the upper 50s for highs this afternoon. It's pretty clear right now with lots of sunshine throughout the Mid-Atlantic region. However, once the daytime heating gets underway a few more hours from now, some instability, cumulus clouds will develop, and again, showers are possible this afternoon. Well, before we take a look at the surface map for today, this is the very latest from coolweather.com that shows where there actually been some record lows or near record lows early this morning. This is just to show what a widespread cold air mass this is for this time of the year and how cold it really is. Again, all these areas are within a degree or two of reaching record lows this morning throughout the Midwest and down into the deep south. And again, it's quite chilly here in the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast as well. This from coolweather.com. Well, here's the current surface map, and again, cold Canadian high pressure is still in control. There's still a light flow of north to northwest air along the east coast, and it'll again be a chilly day. Over the next couple of hours, there'll be quite a bit of sunshine, but then the combination of the warmer lower levels of the atmosphere with a very cold upper atmosphere will lead to some instability, cumulus clouds building during the midday hours, and by this afternoon, some isolated showers will once again develop, along with a stiff north to northwest breeze and temperatures holding below normal, mostly in the mid to upper 50s. This high then continues to move to the east over the next 24 to 48 hours, and that from that position, a dramatic late weekend warm-up will occur in the Mid-Atlantic region. Temperatures could reach 80 degrees in many spots on Sunday and well up in the 80s on Monday, especially in places like D.C., where mid to upper 80s are quite likely on Monday. It's not out of the question that 90 degrees is reached across the D.C. region on Monday afternoon. Just a dramatic change from the cool weather of yesterday and today. And again tonight, we'll drop well down into the 30s in most Mid-Atlantic regions, but by Sunday and Monday, it'll be dramatically warmer with the 80s commonplace throughout the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, here's the current GOES visible satellite look at the Mid-Atlantic region from the Penn State EWOL site. Just a few clouds here across the east central part of Pennsylvania. For the most part, it's pretty clear here in New York City, pretty clear across Philadelphia, and pretty clear across the Washington, D.C. area. However, the next couple of hours will bring some low-level heating to the lower part of the atmosphere, and that combined with a very cold upper atmosphere, and we'll see some cumulus clouds building rapidly during the latter part of the morning. And by afternoon, though, there should be quite a mixture of clouds and sun, again with isolated showers popping up, similar to yesterday throughout the Mid-Atlantic region. Well, let's take a look at a couple of computer forecast maps. This is from last night's 0Z GFS run for tomorrow morning, Friday morning. Tomorrow, that cold Canadian high will finally be moving towards the east coast. It'll be a very nice day with temperatures more pleasant than today, fewer clouds, temperatures probably reaching the low to mid 60s in many parts of the Mid-Atlantic region, rather pleasant, and that's just the beginning of a warming trend as this high will continue to move to a position off the east coast, and we'll see on the next map how a strong southwesterly flow of much warmer air will develop over the weekend. And here is the Saturday morning computer forecast map from the GFS model. By this time, the high is headed towards the east coast. Strong southwesterly winds are pushing much milder air into the Midwest, and that'll just surge into the Mid-Atlantic region on Sunday. Again, 80 degrees is possible in much of the Mid-Atlantic region on Sunday afternoon, at least from Philadelphia on south to D.C. The 70s likely in the New York City region. And then by Monday, we'll all be surging up into the 80s, and mid to upper 80s is most likely in the D.C. area. It's not out of the question that there's some 90-degree readings in the D.C. metropolitan region on Monday afternoon, and well up in the 80s in Philadelphia. It'll be a tad cooler up along New York City, probably in the mid-70s or so by Monday afternoon, but all in all, a dramatic Mid-Atlantic warm-up coming for Sunday and Monday, and that ought to last into Tuesday as well, after another chilly day today and cold night tonight. Well, that's it for now. For the SIweather.com, I'm the SI meteorologist.